Hi guys, welcome to your channel Stock Market. Today we will discuss a company which can become a multi-bagger in future. So we will look at the financials and nature of business of the company. Without wasting the time, let's start the video. So today we are discussing about company. It belongs to agricultural sector. It is one of India's largest private sector phosphatic players, producing a wide range of phosphatic grades including DAP, N10, N12, so on. So its Goa plant also produces urea and is a key supplier to the states of Maharashtra and Karnataka. So it also produces various industrial products like gypsums, zipmite, HFSA, sulfuric acid and ammonia. The company's products are marketed under the well-established brand names of Jai Kisan and Navratna. Okay guys, let's see the financials also. So the company's market cap is 5,100 crores. So it has ROCE 15.2%, ROE 19.9% and CAGR is 35%. So ROE, ROC and CAGR, it has good one. So let's see the sales. In March 2009 it has 4,300 crores. In March 2020 it has done 4,100 crores. In March 2021 it has done 5,100 crores, and in the last year, that is March 2022, it has done 7,800 crores. So increase in the sales year by year. So let's see the profit also. It has from 151 crores in 2019 to 194 crores in 2020, 223 crores in 2021, and the last year 398 crores. It has made 398 crores profit. So profit and sales are increasing year to year, so which is a good sign, and it has a very good shareholding pattern. So promoters has 56%, FII 6%, DIS 22% and public 15.8%. so we can say that it has a decent shareholding pattern. So it is one of the best companies we can say in the agricultural sector, that is Paradeep Phosphates. Now it is trading around 60 rupees. So in the future, if the sales and profit increases and the share value also increases, so we can consider it as a future multi-bagger stock, and we can consider for buying also. Okay, let's meet on the next video. Thank you. Goodbye.